So if this question 6.2 chapter rotation motion comes in exam, that you have to just copy this answer in your answer sheet and you will get full marks. So let's read the question that is given. In the HCl molecule, the separation between the nuclei of the two atoms is about 1.27 angstrom. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the minus 10 meter. Find the approximate location of, say, center of mass of the molecule, given that a chlorine atom is about 35.5 times as massive as a hydrogen atom, and nearly all the masses of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus. So first of all, you have to write given, that is very important. Then what is given to us? The separation is 1.27 angstrom, and that is also equal to 127 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. And also the relation that is given is mass of hydrogen is 35.5 into 35.5 is equal to mass of chlorine. That means the mass of chlorine is 35.5 times the mass of hydrogen. And for इसको दोनों को इक्विवेलेंट करने के लिए, दोनों को इक्वल करने के लिए, आई हैव मल्टीप्लाइड 35.5 टू द मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, एंड बाय दिस वे ये दोनों इक्वलाइज्ड हो गया है. अब नाउ इसका डायग्राम जो हम देख लेते हैं. ये है डायग्राम जो है स्मॉल मॉलिक्यूल वो हाइड्रोजन का है, और ये मॉलिक्यूल फॉर Cl है. ये डायग्राम आपको कॉपी में बना लेना है इन द आंसर शीट. एंड नाउ द पोजीशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज x1 is equal to 0. The position of chlorine is because the distance between this is 1.27 angstrom, so x2 is 1.27 angstrom. तो यहाँ पे 0 है, 0 से ये ओरिजिन हो गया, ओरिजिन से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस क्या है 1.27 एंगस्ट्रॉम. तो ये तुम्हारा x2 जो हो गया 1.27 एंगस्ट्रॉम हो गया. अब उसके बाद क्या करना है, तो फार्मूला को आप ऐसे अंडर बॉक्स कर दीजिएगा, so that the examiner will see that you have written the formula. तो उसके बाद क्या लिखना है, distance of the center of mass of HCl from the origin is given by x is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. This is the formula and you have to write this. After that you have to calculate, you have to put that values mh, the mass of hydrogen, into 0 because the distance at which the hydrogen is placed is 0, plus mass of chlorine into the distance at which chlorine atom is placed, that is 1.27 into 10 to the minus 10 meter, and then mass of hydrogen plus mass of chlorine, and then by calculating it you can get that this term will get 0, और ये टर्म आपका हो जाएगा mh इंटू 35.5, जो कि हमने वैल्यू बैठाया है मास ऑफ क्लोरीन के पास, mh इंटू 35.5 यहाँ पर से ये वाला वैल्यू into the distance that is x2 and plus mh and mh into 35.5 the mass of chlorine, यहाँ से हमने जो लिया है वैल्यू. उसके बाद इसको कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए. mh कॉमन आ जाता है बाहर, और यहाँ से mh कॉमन आ जाएगा बाहर, ये mh बाहर कॉमन आ गया, ये और ये mh बाहर कॉमन आ गया, 1 plus 35.5 आ गया, and by calculating it you will get the answer 1.235 into 10 to the minus 10 meter, and that is 1.235 angstroms, and that is the answer.